How to handle unfinished elements. Keep your workflow organized and avoid missing important tasks by managing unfinished elements when moving jobs. When you manually move a job with unfinished elements, a menu will appear where you can select what to do about them. You can decide what to do with pending organizers, proposals, unpaid bills, unsigned contracts, documents, and incomplete tasks. For example, you can submit organizers or mark client tasks in messages as complete right from your pipeline without needing to visit the organizers or messages section. You can also unlink any element or move it to the next stage. Moving a task to the next stage does not change its status. If you unlink a task, it will still be available but no longer linked to the job. If a job is in a custom job status and you move it back to active, you'll also need to decide what to do with unfinished elements. The options remain mostly the same, but there's one key case to note. If you select Ignore, the job returns to its initial stage, and the unfinished linked elements are added to the pending elements list for that stage, visible on the left side of the job card. From there, they can be unlinked or deleted if needed.